Hi everyone, welcome to CLC channel. Today let's make this star-shaped badminton pendant together. The tutorial is very easy, so grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Take out the white thread from the shuttlecock, press it inside, insert the crochet hook into the hole below. We need to crochet 3 chain stitches. We need to crochet 4 unfinished half double crochets. There are 3 loops on the hook. That's 1 unfinished half double crochet. We repeat these 4 times. Once finished, insert it at the back, yarn over and pull through all the loops. Then crochet another chain stitch. That completes the first pattern. Repeat this for the rest. Find the first stitch, slip stitch to join. Take this thread and pull it to the back from the front. Tie it with the starting end. That completes the first round. Take the blue yarn, start the second round. Begin with 3 chain stitches. In each hole, crochet 5 unfinished half double crochets. pull through all loops, make a chain, slip stitch to the first stitch. That's the edging for the second round. Chain up. In the same stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. Yarn over again, insert into the same stitch, pull the yarn through, 3 loops on the hook, pull through the first 2, then pull through the last 2. That's how you crochet a double crochet. Next, in the second stitch, start with a double crochet, then make a single crochet. In the next stitch, make a slip stitch. That's the first group. In one stitch, single crochet, double crochet. In the next stitch, double crochet, single crochet. In the next, slip stitch. That makes one set. Repeat until the end. Next, we crochet the edging at the bottom of the shuttlecock. Take out the white yarn, start with the foundation chain, make a slip knot. Crochet 22 chain stitches. Then place this chain at the bottom part. Tie the 2 ends at the back. The main body of the badminton keychain is complete. Now start with the magic ring. Chain up. In the first round, crochet 5 single crochets. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Second round, chain up, 5 increases. That means 2 single crochets in one stitch. Round 2 complete, turn to the back. Round 3, chain up, first stitch single crochet, second stitch make an increase. That's one set, repeat for 5 sets. Remember to slip stitch to the first stitch. Next, round 4, chain up, first stitch, single crochet, second stitch, single crochet, third stitch, increase. That's one set, repeat for 5 sets. Now round 5, the last round, chain up. In the same stitch, we need 5 stitches. First stitch is a single crochet. Second stitch is a half double crochet. We still work in the same space. Yarn over, insert into the first stitch. Bring the yarn through from the back. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all. Next, a double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the first stitch again, pull the yarn through. There are 3 loops on the hook. Pull through the first 2, then pull through the last 2. That's a double crochet. Then a half double crochet, still in this stitch. Finally, a single crochet. Then in the second stitch, make a slip stitch. Slip stitch in the third stitch. In the fourth stitch. Using this method, repeat for 5 sets. Second set, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, then slip stitch 3 times to the back. We need to crochet 2 identical pieces. On one piece, cut and weave in the end. Then take a sewing needle and start sewing them together. We'll pick up the inner loops. This is the full stitch. The loop closer to the inside is the inner loop. Wrong sides facing each other. Pick the inner loops, fold together and seam. Next, we'll crochet the drawstring on top of the star. Crochet about 80 chain stitches. Finally, take the finished star crochet piece, insert it through the hole in the shuttlecock. Place the cord we made on the hook at the bottom. Pull it tight, then bring the cord out. Adjust it to a suitable position. And that's our completed badminton keychain.